Good morning. Last lecture we studied the artificial insemination. What do you mean by artificial insemination? Introductions, definition of artificial insemination, and advantages and disadvantages of artificial insemination. Next article, that is the collection of semen. Collection of semen. So what is the semen? Semen means the suspension of spermatozoa in seminal fluid. The objectives of semen collection is to obtain maximum output of high quality spermatozoa per ejaculates. So there are the different methods of semen collections. So there are three methods of semen collections. First is artificial vagina, that is AV method. Second, electro ejaculation methods, and third, massage methods. So there are the three methods of semen collections. So we start the first method of semen collections, that is artificial vagina or AV methods. So the artificial vagina or AV, the first AV for bull was designed in 1930 by Russian scientists. Several models of AV have been devised by English, American, Danish scientists. The Danish model of AV is most commonly used in USA, India, and many other countries. There are different kinds of AV for different class of animals. Depends upon the size of animals. The AV is simple in construction and stimulates natural copulations. This AV consists of four parts. That is the first, outer heavy rubber cylinder. First, outer heavy rubber cylinder. This is the outer heavy rubber cylinders. So it is having the diameter of 6 centimeter in diameters and 30 centimeter long in young bulls and 40 centimeter long in adult bulls. In outer heavy rubber cylinders, both the ends of the outer heavy rubber cylinders having the rims. From the one end of the artificial AV, about the 5 centimeters, there is the provision of water and air inlet. Water and air inlet. Second part of AV is the inner sleeve of rubber. It is elastic in nature, having the diameter of 7 to 8 centimeter and length is about 50 to 55 centimeter. Diameter 7 to 8 centimeter and length 50 to 55 centimeters. So this is first is the outer heavy rubber cylinders. From the 5 centimeter there is the provisions of the water and air outlets. Second, this is the inner sleeve of rubber. It is the elastic in nature. The diameter is about the 7 to 8 centimeter in diameter and 50 to 55 centimeter in length. Third part of AV is the semen receiving cone. Semen receiving cone having the capacity. So this is the semen receiving cone having the capacity of 20 to 25 centimeters. And fourth part of the AV is semen receiving wire. This is made up of, this is the semen receiving wire. This is made up of glass or plastics and which may be graduated. And the fifth part of the AV is insulation bag covering the glass tube and semen receiving cone. So there are the first, this is the AV having the 4 parts and the water insulation bag. Next, assembling of AV. Assembling of AV. Before assembling of AV, all these parts, that these 4 parts should be properly cleaned and sterilized. Firstly, this so this is the outer heavy rubber cylinders. There is the provisions of the water outlet and the air outlet. Before assembling, firstly all the parts should be properly cleaned and sterilized. Put the inner sleeve of the rubber into the outer heavy rubber cylinders, and both the ends of the inner sleeves are reflected over the outer heavy rubber cylinders, forming a air-tight space. Then slip over the semen receiving cone. Slip the semen receiving cone and semen receiving the wire at one end, which is nearer to the water and air outlets. Then fix the insulation bag. Fix the insulation bag to cover the semen receiving cone and semen receiving wire to protect from hot climates, hot temperature. After this is the assembling of AV. Second, pre-warming of AV. Second, pre-warming of AV. So the pre-warming of AV is carried out for increasing the temperature of thick rubber cylinders and inner sleeve of rubber, which will match the temperature of vagina of cow in estrus period. Then pour the water having temperature of 60 degrees centigrade through this valve of AV, and after 10 minutes then they remove the water of the AV, remove the water from the AV. So this is the pre-warming. Third, preparation of AV. Preparation of AV. Firstly, fill the half to 2/3 capacity of AV with water having temperature 45 degrees centigrade through the valve. Then inflate the AV sufficiently by blowing the air through valve. Lubricate the open parts of AV with sterile Vaseline or liquid paraffin. So these are the preparations of AV. Fourth, procedure of semen collection. procedure of semen. So before collection of semen, we need a dummy cow for collections. So the firstly procedure for semen cleaning, firstly take dummy cow in a crate. So this is the crate, and this is the dummy cow. So take the dummy cow in the crate. Then semen collector should be stand. Semen collector should be stand at the right side of the dummy cow. So the dummy cow, the semen collector should be stand at the right side of the dummy cow. Then bring the breeding bull at the side of semen collector. That is the breeding bull. Bring the breeding bull at the site of semen collections and allow the bull to mount and dismount dummy cows once or twice. So the breeding bulls, these the bulls can be mounted. This is the cow. Next, fold the AV. Hold the AV close to the flank of dummy cow, usually with open end. So this is the open end tilted downwards at an angle of 45. So at an angle of 45 angles. As soon as these bulls are the mounts to the dummy cows, at that time the operators or collector should grasp the sheath and quickly divert the penis into the artificial vagina. When bull dismounts after ejaculation, then drain out the water from AV and hold it at vertically to collect the semen from the outer and the semen receiving cone and the semen receiving wire. So this is the procedure of the semen collections. After the assembling, pre-warming of AV, preparation of AV and procedure of semen collections by AV methods, that is the artificial vagina methods. Then advantages of the AV methods. Advantages of AV methods. So the first advantages of AV is semen is collected in uncontaminated. Semen is collected in uncontaminated and natural state. So first advantage, you can get the semen with uncontaminated and natural state. Second, semen obtained from these methods is usually having better sperm concentrations. Having better sperm concentrations. Third advantages of AV, the semen is clear and free from the extraneous secretion, that is urine. So semen is the clear and is the free from the secretions like the urine. Fourth advantages of AV, the volume, color, consistency of the semen is rarely seen in the graduated pipette or the graduated chip. So these are the advantages of the advantages of AV methods. Next is the disadvantages of AV methods. The first disadvantage. So the first disadvantage to the semen collection by these methods requires the technical skill. So this is the first disadvantage. The semen collections by these methods, it requires the technical skill. Second disadvantage of these methods, so the semen collections, so this semen collections for this AV methods is difficult in old or injured bulls, because these injured bulls is naturally unable to the mounts to the cows, so the semen collections is difficult in the old injured bulls. Third disadvantages of this AV methods is some males are refused to collection by this method due to variation in temperature, pressure and lubrications. So this is the first methods, that is the AV methods, with the artificial methods. So having the four parts. The first is the outer heavy rubber cylinders having diameters of the 6 cm in diameters and 30 cm in length in young bulls and the 40 cm in the adults. Second, inner sleeve of rubber having diameter 7 to 8 cm and length 50 to 55 cm and with the elastic in nature. Third, with the semen receiving cone having the capacity is about 20 to 25 centimeters, and the fourth is the semen receiving vial. It is made of the glass or plastic which is the graduated and having the capacity of the 10 ml capacity, and the fourth is the insulation bag. So the insulation bag is to protects or cover with the semen receiving cones and with the semen receiving vial to protect from the direct sunlight or hot weathers particularly. After the assembling of AV, so before assembling, all these parts should be properly cleaned and sterilized. After assembling, next is the pre-warming of AV. Next is the preparation of AV, and fourth is the procedure of semen collections by AV methods, and the last is the advantages and disadvantages of AV. So we study about the first method of collection of semen, that is the first is the artificial vagina or AV methods. Next lecture we study about the second methods, that is the electro ejaculation methods. Thanks.